Hi, this video will cover adding an ESRI Shapefile store in GeoServer. Okay, so the first thing we need to do in order to create an ESRI store in GeoServer is to transfer our unzipped ESRI files to the server. The files need to be unzipped. It cannot process a zip file. It does need to contain all of the files from the ESRI package. The convention generally is to upload the files to the data directory under the main data directory, although you can upload them to any location, but again, they do need to be unzipped and you need all of the files from the ESRI package. Okay, so in GeoServer admin, let's go to stores, add new store. Okay, and we see you have two options available to us, directory of shapefiles and shapefile. Directory of shapefile is if we have multiple shapefiles in a directory, it will publish all of those shapefiles to a single store. It's important to note that it will not merge those files in any way. Each file in the store will be available to publish as a single layer. And with Shapefile, we are just creating a store with a single shapefile. So let's go ahead first and do a directory of shapefiles. By selecting the workspace you want to create the store in, and then give your data source a name and a description. Just calling mine shapefiles. And under connection parameters, click Browse, and go to the directory to which we uploaded our shapefiles at the beginning. Okay, we see here we uploaded two ESRI packages, so there are two shapefiles showing here, parks and waterways. Go ahead and click OK and save. Okay, and we see the store has been created and it takes us immediately to the new layer page. We can go ahead and publish the layers if we wish to from the store. Okay, and the procedure for loading a single shapefile is identical. We select the workspace, the data source name and description, and this time if we browse to the directory, we see that we have to select one of the shapefiles. It is not just clicking OK and all of them will be loaded. You have to select the shapefile that you want to load. Okay, finally, in deciding whether or not to create a store from a shapefile, you need to consider in what format any additional data, if there is any additional data, will be available. If it's only available as a shapefile to you, simply updating the shapefile on disk will update the store. If, however, subsequent data is going to be available via a PostGIS database, you should consider loading the ESRI data into PostGIS and creating a store from PostGIS.